I introduce to you one of the barangay here in Antipas, North Cotabato. Welcome to Barangay Dato Agod. Barangay Dato Agod is a community rich in culture, history, and natural beauty, known for its lush landscape and warmth. Dato Agod is a place where traditions meet progress. Barangay is committed to fostering a sustainable and thriving environment, where the community leads to innovates, focusing on environmental sustainability, education, and cultural preservation. Dato Agod stands as a model of resilience and unity. From the scenic views of the surrounding hills to the bustling locals market, Dato Agod offers a unique blend of rural charm and modern development. The community takes a pride in its heritage and work together to create a better future for all. We are here in the entrance going to the Barangay Dato Agod. I'm here now in the Barangay of Dato Agod. This is the Barangay Gym of Barangay Dato Agod. This is the view of inside of the Barangay Gym of Dato Agod. This is the MRF of Barangay Dato Agod. The new Barangay Hall is under construction for now. This is the Barangay Hall of Dato Agod. This is the health center of Barangay Dato Agod. This is the spot map of Barangay Dato Agod. And this is the oldest reservoir in Dato Agod. This is the sapa of Barangay Dato Agod. This is lot of fish. And now we are here in the entrance of the elementary school of Barangay Dato Agod. This is the view inside of the elementary school of Barangay Dato Agod. This is the garden inside in the elementary school of Barangay Dato Agod. This is the inside of Catholic Church in Barangay Dato Agod. And that's the end of this video.